In today's world of smart living, automation is redefining how we approach daily chores. The 3i S10 Ultra Robot Vacuum is at the forefront of this innovation, integrating cutting-edge technology to make cleaning not just easier, but a seamless part of your smart home ecosystem. Equipped with revolutionary features like the WaterRecycle System, UltraReach Roller Mop, and AI-powered DirtScan, the 3i S10 Ultra takes the hassle out of keeping your floor spotless. Let's dive deeper into what makes this robot vacuum a game-changer in home cleaning. The WaterRecycle System ensures uninterrupted cleaning by generating a continuous supply of distilled water through advanced distillation and air moisture extraction. This means no manual refilling or draining, making it a truly self-sufficient cleaning companion. Whether you have a small apartment or a sprawling home, the 3i S10 Ultra takes care of its water needs so you don't have to. The UltraReach Roller Mop is designed to handle even the toughest messes. With 12 water spray jets and a self-cleaning scraper, it powers through sticky stains while maintaining a spotless mop head. Its 330 RPM spinning capability ensures no corner or edge is left untouched. For hard-to-reach spaces, its automatic extension system cleans with millimeter-level precision, ensuring pristine results every time. Gone are the days of worrying about different types of debris. The AI-powered DirtScan technology uses green light illumination to detect and classify up to 68 types of household debris. Whether it's liquids, dust, or solid particles, the S10 Ultra customizes its cleaning approach for maximum efficiency. Tough stains? No problem, DirtScan increases roller speed and water volume to tackle the mess head-on. The S10 Ultra's Apex Vision Light Detection and Ranging (LiDAR) technology enables it to map your home with pinpoint accuracy. Combined with its triple obstacle avoidance system, the vacuum glides effortlessly around furniture and tight spaces, avoiding snags and maintaining optimal cleaning paths, even in low-light conditions. With the intelligent control feature, managing your cleaning routines has never been easier. From the convenience of a smartphone app, you can map your home in 3D, customize cleaning zones, and monitor progress in real time. Need to adjust settings on the fly? The app ensures you're in control every step of the way. Traditional robot vacuums often fall short when it comes to maintenance and adaptability, requiring frequent emptying of dustbins or refilling of water tanks. The 3i S10 Ultra addresses these pain points with its smart, self-sufficient design. Whether you're tackling stubborn messes or looking for a hands-free, hassle-free cleaning experience, this robot vacuum adapts to your needs, delivering superior results. If you're looking to upgrade your home cleaning game, now's the perfect time. For Black Friday, you can grab the 3i S10 Ultra Robot Vacuum for 20% off on Amazon. Don't miss this limited-time deal to make your smart home even smarter. Thanks for tuning. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated.